In this video, I'll show you where to get promo codes for McGraw Hill Connect. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. All right, open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and now in the Google search bar, type in promo code deals for McGraw Hill Connect. Sorry, I meant to say McGraw Hill Connect. So click search. And now you'll be brought to the search results inside Google. So you got these third-party sites offering discount codes. So we got Worth the Penny is a great site to get discount codes. If I scroll down, we got We Thrift It, 20% off. You can even check out Reddit, Simply Codes, Don't Pay Full. So you can check out any one of these sites to get promo code deals, but just double check that the code hasn't expired. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click onto, where is it? We Thrift It, 20% off in June 2024. I'm making this video in June 2024. So these codes change daily and weekly too, by the way, so you can check them out every so often. So now I'm inside We Thrift It. If I scroll down, you can see these different offers. You got 10% off CompTIA exam vouchers, 15% off site-wide with code. And you can even show the history of these codes too. So if I click show history, you can see this code was last used 1 hour ago with 567 total uses. So if I want to get the code, I want to click on copy code, and now it's copied to my clipboard. Now I want to paste this code at the checkout section of McGraw Hill to redeem my 15% off site wide.